You're never truly alone, even when you're in the bathroom. Inside your body live 100 trillion microscopic creatures, bacteria, fungi, and weird little life forms that poop, eat, and multiply inside you every single day. Sounds disgusting? Wait till you hear what they actually do for you. These tiny tenants aren't just freeloaders. They control your digestion, your cravings, your energy levels, and even your emotions. Welcome to the unseen universe living inside your gut. A world more crowded, complex, and alive than you could ever imagine. Would you dare look at your gut bacteria under a microscope? Comment yes or no below, because after you learn what they do, your answer might change. The gut universe. Let's start with this. Your gut microbiome, all those bacteria combined, weighs about as much as your brain. That's right, a whole extra organ inside you that thinks, communicates, and even influences your behavior. In fact, you have more bacterial cells in your body than human ones. So, technically, you're less human than you think. And here's the twist. Most of your serotonin, the chemical that makes you feel happy, isn't produced in your brain at all. It's made in your gut, which means your mood literally depends on what's happening inside your stomach. Quick trivia. What percentage of your immune system lives in your gut? The answer: about 70%. Your gut isn't just digesting food, it's your first line of defense against sickness. So, if your gut's not happy, the rest of you won't be either. Mood and mental health. You've probably heard the phrase, trust your gut. Turns out that's more scientific than you think. Researchers call your gut the second brain because it's connected to your real brain through the vagus nerve, a superhighway of signals that constantly tells your brain how you're feeling. When your gut bacteria are balanced, you feel calm, focused, and positive. But when things go off balance, from stress, poor diet, or lack of sleep, your gut sends distress signals that can cause anxiety, depression, and brain fog. Even cravings start here. Those midnight urges for sugar or junk food. They're often not you. They're your gut microbes begging for their favorite food. And here's a wild fact. A single meal can shift your gut bacteria balance within hours. So what you eat today literally changes who you are tomorrow. If your gut feels off, your mood probably is too. Ever notice that? The food connection. Now, let's talk food. Because your bacteria are picky eaters. Their favorite meal, fiber. Fruits, vegetables, oats, garlic, and onions are like a feast for them. When you eat fiber, you're not just feeding yourself. You're feeding trillions of hungry microbes that protect your health in return. Fermented foods are another favorite. Yogurt, kimchi, kefir, and sauerkraut bring in live reinforcements, good bacteria that boost your gut army. But not all foods are friendly. Artificial sweeteners, even zero-calorie ones, can disrupt your gut balance, damaging the good bacteria that keep you healthy. Here's a fun trivia. Which everyday food secretly improves gut health more than probiotics? Answer: bananas. They're packed with prebiotic fiber, which feeds your gut bacteria naturally. So next time you grab a snack, remember, you're not eating alone. Gross but cool facts. Okay, let's get into the weird stuff. You produce up to 1 liter of gas a day. Yes, 1 full soda bottle's worth, just from bacterial fermentation in your intestines. Every burp, every fart, that's your microbes doing their job. And just like fingerprints, everyone's gut bacteria are completely unique. No one on Earth has the exact same microbial makeup as you. That means your gut is your biological signature, a personal world of living DNA that no one else shares. Even crazier, your gut bacteria can influence what foods you crave. Some species thrive on sugar, so they make you crave sweets. Others want fat, salt, or carbs, and they use your brain's reward system to get them. You're not weak for craving junk food. Sometimes it's your microbes whispering, "Feed us." True or false, your gut can affect your sleep cycles. True, your microbes produce melatonin and other sleep-related hormones. So when your gut's off, your sleep usually is too. Creepy, right? But also, incredible. How to keep them happy. Now that you've met your microscopic roommates, how do you keep them happy? First, feed them right. Eat more prebiotics like oats, onions, garlic, and bananas. These are your bacteria's favorite foods. Second, avoid unnecessary antibiotics. Sure, antibiotics save lives, but they also wipe out the good bacteria along with the bad. It's like setting off a bomb in your microbiome. If you ever need antibiotics, balance them with probiotic foods afterward. Stress hormones. When you're anxious, they react, which throws your digestion off, weakens immunity, and even affects your mood. And don't rush your meals. Eating too fast can trap air, reduce digestion, and confuse your gut-brain signals. Slow down, your microbes will thank you. Here's a quick trivia question. Which habit hurts your gut the most? Skipping breakfast, sleeping late, or eating too fast? The answer? Sleeping late. Your gut bacteria follow your body's circadian rhythm, so poor sleep throws them completely out of sync. When you really think about it, you're not just one person. You're an entire ecosystem, a living superorganism made of trillions of tiny beings, all working together to keep you alive. Every heartbeat, every breath, every thought, your microbes are part of the process. They digest your food, create vitamins, protect your organs, and even teach your immune system how to fight. So if you ever feel disconnected from your body, remember, you're home to an entire universe. A living world that depends on you, just as you depend on it. You're not just human, you're a walking galaxy of life. Take care of your inner world, and it will take care of you. From your gut to your brain, from your mood to your immunity. If you loved exploring the secret universe inside you, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got more incredible deep dives coming. From the mysteries of your brain's electrical world to the shocking truths about how your body repairs itself overnight. And before you go, tell me in the comments, would you dare look at your gut bacteria under a microscope? Comment yes if you're brave, or no thanks if you're already feeling a little queasy. Either way, your gut just reacted. Trust me. Thanks for watching. And remember, inside you, life never stops.